What we're doing on the marking plan is currently we are concentrating on refurbishing the bike lanes throughout the city. Also, we're refurbishing the crosswalks around identified schools where the crosswalks are faded. As a crosswalk such as this, we turned this crosswalk from a basic standard crosswalk to a high visibility crosswalk. High visibility crosswalks are when we install 24-inch ladders.
We put down the crosswalks, pedestrian pylons, bike lanes. We do everything dealing with the crosswalks and the safety of the pedestrians.
And as they lay down the lines, while they're wet, they splash them with what they call glass beads to affect the retroreflectivity, and that helps them see at night.
DDOT will install 125 to 130 miles of pavement markings this year. For more information on pavement marking progress, visit dc.gov/pavedc.